What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and we got the iPhone 11 in the house. So this is iPhone day, and I'm excited to have this. I picked up the product red iPhone 11. I didn't get the 11 Max, 11 Pro, or the 11 Pro Max. I picked up the regular iPhone 11. So let's get this thing open up. This is the box from Apple. And let's get this thing open, man. There's no use of sitting here talking about it. Let's be about it. So, get this out of here. They always have this little plastic holding it in there. Try not to go beast mode, but I want to. Alright, so here is the box, guys. Woo, there's that red one. I got the red one. Product red in the building. So here's the box. You got a picture of the device there. You got iPhone in red on this side. You got an apple, red apple on the top of it. Red apple on the bottom. And then here's the back of it. So here are my specs. I picked up the 128. Includes the iPhone, earpods, lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter. And there are some of the other specs on this. So let's jump into it, guys. Moment of silence. All right, so there's the wrapper. Let's get this open, man. So, whoo, there's the red iPhone, guys. Whoo, let's take a quick glance at it and set it over to the side and see what else we have in the box. So, designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we got. So I got the product red information card here. So, you know, they donate money for the AIDS research program, HIV and AIDS. So that's what part of the product red. And then you get your welcome to iPhone pamphlet here. You do get a SIM card ejection tool. Your safety, product, and warranty, and we get some Apple stickers. So that's always nice. The rest of the box. So the bummer about this for me, when you get the iPhone 11, you only get the slow charger, which is a bummer. So that's the only time this will come out of the box. And we do get our lightning charger, charging cable, and we also get some earbuds here with the lightning in on them, so that is nice. Only thing is they need to step up the charging game on this. So we're going to set this box over to the side. And we're going to take a look at the product red iPhone. So here it is, guys. Woo! Hopefully my camera is doing it some justice. This looks really nice. There's some plastic on the front of it. Here's the front. Let's get this off. Ooh, that sounds sweet. So here's the front of it. Really dope looking. I like that black and red. So I went with the product red this time. Last year, I went with other colors, the white, the blue, and the black. And here's the red. So you can see the red looks real good, but when you get up around the camera, it's a little bit different here. A little bit lighter. And then you can see the red around the cameras. Border around the cameras there, your Apple logo there, got product down at the bottom here. Here's the side of it, your power button. At the bottom, you got your speaker, microphone, and lightning port. And then on this side, you got your mute switch, your volume up and down. And then the front of it is all black, which is nice. And then the cameras here, both of these are 12 megapixel camera. You got a wide and an ultra wide lens on it. The front camera is also a 12 megapixel, and it does have wide as well. You can record up to 4K front and back, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and get this powered on here. If I got any juice. That's the Apple logo. So this has all of the same original features. This has a 6.1 inch display. The resolution is 828 by 1792, 326 ppi. This is running out the box iOS 13. This has a Apple A13 bionic chip, 7 nanometer. So this should be really, really fast, and it shouldn't have any problems. I got the 128 gigabyte version of it. Let's see here. The battery on this thing, you got a 46 milliamp battery. So that's what we got with the new iPhone here. Let me go ahead and set it up, then we'll take a look at it. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're at this point in the setup. I went through all your usual things that you have to set up on an iPhone. This is something new with the iOS 13 right here. So you got your dark mode and you got your light mode. So that dark mode looks dope. I have it on my iPhone XR. So we're going to go ahead and continue. Display zoom. So you got, this is nothing new here from your standard, your old stuff that you had on there. So let's go continue. And we're going to go ahead. This is just some little tutorial telling you how to do stuff. And now we are in. Let me go ahead, put my code in for the first time. So now here we are. This is the iPhone 11 first startup screen right here. And this looks dope. As you can see, this is dope, man. So here's your all of your widgets over here to the side. And here is the display here. So let's go into the settings. And I want to see straight out the box how much storage I have here out the box. So 12, well, it's jumping all over the place. 13 gigabytes of the 128 is used, as you guys can see. And I haven't installed, this is a fresh startup. And so that's what you get out of the box. So I want to go back. I want to look at some of the wallpapers that they have here. Let's go back right here. So let's look at see if they got any new wallpapers. Let's go to the stills. So yeah, you do have some different wallpapers here. That's one. Here's another one. I don't know if I like that one too much. Here's a green one. And I imagine these are to match whichever color iPhone you have. And then they got the other wallpapers that we already had there. Let's go to the dynamic. And these are pretty much the same. And the live, here are the live ones. Press and hold the screen. And these kind of move when you touch it, as you can see. Pretty dope. Let's go look at another one here. So, yep, there it is. So those are all of the live ones right there. Let's see what else in settings we can look at right quick. See if I see anything new in here. I did download iOS 13 to my XR yesterday, but I didn't have a chance really to look at it. So I ended up picking up the 11 instead of the 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max, because I got comfortable with my XR, and the display and everything on this is plenty bright enough. Looks really good for the resolution that it has, and I'm pretty used to this size of device now. So this looks pretty much like the XR in all aspects of it. Of course, we both, in fact, here's the XR right here. So get a chance to look at these two together here. Let's go ahead, turn that off, get this one off. As you can see, pretty much the same size, the same phone pretty much. As you can see, one's just black, one's red. And here's the back of it. You do have like a frost look around your camera on the product red one. But yeah, man, this is going to be, and you can see the Apple logo has moved down a bit there. Let's look at the volume up and down and power switch. Solid selector there. And it has moved down just a tad bit, it looks like. I have them lined up. No, they're in the same place. They're in the same place. And then on this side here, everything else is in the same place. And then the bottom looks good, looks the same too. So the only differences are the Apple logos there. And the displays are pretty much the same. See if they both can get my face there, and they both did. Wow. So, yeah, man, that's my look at the product red iPhone 11. I'm going to have to always remember to say 11 now, because I'm probably going to say 10R quite a few times, and hopefully I haven't said that already. But yeah, the product red is hot, man. Look for more videos on this, cameras. We're going to do cameras, photos, just go through the whole phone and check it out. I got cases coming, cases on deck already. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, iPhone Day. We're out.